Hello guys, welcome to my admin tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you can't follow accounts right now on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the issue with your Instagram, you can't follow right now problem, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, I will tell you that this issue occurs mainly when you follow or unfollow maximum numbers in a particular day. Means if you have followed more than 50 or if you have unfollowed more than 50 in a single day, then mostly these problems occur. And the another reason is if you try to log in with any third party website or any app with your Instagram account and the Instagram, then you will see this type of error, you can't follow right now on your Instagram. So if you have not done anything like this, if you are again facing the issue, then I will show you another method to fix this issue. First of all, you have to take the screenshot of this error, which you can see you can't follow accounts right now. You have to take this screenshot, then go to the Instagram, then click on this Instagram profile account. After clicking Instagram profile icon, in top right side corner you can see 3 horizontal lines. You just need to click on that, then click on settings and privacy, then scroll down, go to the last, you can see here help option. You just need to click on help, then click on report a problem. In last you can see shake phone to report a problem. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option, then tap on report a problem, then tap on include and continue. After that, here you need to type hi Instagram team, please resolve my issue as soon as possible. Then you have to attach this screenshot. You can see here upload button, just tap on this upload, then you need to allow that screenshot error, then tap on send button. After sending this report to the Instagram, it will take nearly 24 to 72 hours. You have to wait for 24 to 72 hours. Within this it will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you can't follow right now accounts problem on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.